So in this video, we are going to see how to connect your Google Calendar with your GoHighLevel account. For that, we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to integrations. Then we are going to click here where it says sign in with Google. Let's sign in with Google. Allow. By clicking allow, my Google Calendar will be connected. And now it's going to ask me if I want to add any Google My Business page with it for reporting and stuff. So I'm going to skip it and go back to staff. So this is a really important step to understand. Okay, so this is the profile that I'm operating with here. As I have connected the Google Calendar in integrations, only I get to go and edit my own calendar configuration. So this is really important for you to understand, because you will not be able to change John Doe's calendar settings. Only John Doe can do it by logging in himself. This is my calendar, so for sync, it's asking which calendar do I want to go with. If I select my calendar here, it's going to ask me which calendar should I put to sync for read and write. This works in two ways, right? So if I create any appointments in my Google Calendar, it's going to come to GoHighLevel because it's two-way sync. If I select roof replacement, this is what happens when you do it. So I create an appointment in Google Calendar. It comes to GoHighLevel and it connects to roof replacement booking calendar. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just hit save. So this is sync. And check for conflicts. In this part, if you check for conflicts, it's just gonna see if that place is available, the slot that the person is trying to book for. So this is how you check for conflicts. And if these two are fine, then your job is done. So if I go back to calendar and I am added in this calendar over here in this calendar group, as you can see, I'm a user added here. It's always going to check for conflicts and it's always going to check for available slots in my Google Calendar. So this is how the two-way synchronization works with GoHighLevel and the Google Calendar.